We're going to release the air pressure. And see if we can't get some more pressure coming out of the pool there. This doesn't really change much. Okay, there's some water, not really a lot of pressure. Okay, sometimes I take this screw out, hoping to blow some chunks out. Pressure's at 15, 17. Let's check the outside pressure. Didn't do anything. I could see it still bubbling. Still bubbling. Okay. Sometimes if I turn the pump on and off, I get better suction. Basket's not all dirty, else I would change it right now. Dripping out, not even coming out. A lot of air bubbles inside. That should not be. Okay, check the pressure outside one more time. Oh, looks like we got better bubbles. Jeez. Nope. Slightly more pressure, but not really much. Really sucks, I can't even vacuum. So I patched the pinhole, but it must be leaking through the skim box copper, the copper under here, or the copper going to the feed or the return. Okay, ready for the pool repair, guy. Filter and pump work. It's just the we got a leak somewhere. Unbelievable. All right. Need a pool plumber in Northridge. Hit me up here.